time on The Glitched War, Season 1, Episode 1. I think I'm ready. Welcome to The Glitched War, Season 1, Episode 2. I think I'm ready. Even though I don't think I'm ready, I think I am. Whoop. I should let's just fly over to my house. Whee! Oh no, stuff's getting unstable. Oh, ouch. What happened? I should get the blood pumping. No, what just happened? Oh, right. I was flying over to my base. Wait, where is my base? What's that noise? Oh my god, everything's shaking. Ah, oh my god. Oh, what happened? Oh. What the heck? What the heck was that? Just calm down. Oof. I think I just cracked my knuckles. Ouch. Jeez. I should probably go check out what that noise is. Yeah. Hello? Anyone there? No one seems to be there. I think I will be... Wait, what the heck? Was that... To be continued.